Despite Samsung generating a huge buzz for its products every year, things have been relatively quiet when it comes to the release of the brand's latest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, you might find this surprising, but for now, this special edition handset has only been launched in China and Korea. And while it could be the best foldable phone by the company yet, Samsung has no plans to expand availability in the immediate future. Of course, that means for the majority of us, we're stuck enjoying the phone through impressions we read online, photos and videos. Luckily, there are plenty of each to go around, satisfying our curiosity around the device. The known leaker Ice Universe has recently posted videos to X showing off just how good the screen is, with the Galaxy Z Fold C featuring a shallower crease, one that nearly even rivals some of the best foldable screens out right now via Android Authority. Ice Universe also posted a video comparing the screen crease of the Samsung with the Oppo Find N3. Of course, with the screens off, the crease is pretty evident on both phones, but we have yet to see a phone that really minimizes this to a degree where it's not noticeable. Perhaps a better comparison would have been a Galaxy Z Fold 6 versus the Galaxy Z Fold C to show just how far Samsung has come. Regardless, it's good to see Samsung making changes to its foldables, as many have felt the brand has been coasting for some time, leaving other brands to catch up and exceed the Z Fold line with its own devices. And Samsung has even publicly acknowledged and apologized for this. With that said, hopefully this is an indication of what's to come with future Samsung devices. Although most of us will never see the Z Fold C, what's important here is that this tech could land in next year's Galaxy Z Fold phone. Of course, we've still got quite some time before we see that, as Samsung's foldables generally make their debut in the summer. But let's hope that Samsung really does step things up and introduce something worth talking about.